Hi, my name is Chef Jonathan Beatty. I'm the executive chef of Echo Restaurant here in Atlanta, Georgia. And today I'll be teaching you how to make a piccata sauce. A piccata sauce is a lemon caper sauce traditional from Italy that's either served with fish or chicken. To make a piccata sauce, you want to first start with your chicken fillets that we're going to season with salt and pepper and sear in a saute pan. Once the chicken is cooked, we'll remove it from the pan and make the actual piccata sauce in the pan where we cook the chicken to develop more flavor. First, you want to add in your capers, gently roast them, and then deglaze with lemon juice. After the lemon juice is reduced a touch, you're going to add in a little bit of chicken stock and a little touch of cream. At this point, you're going to let it reduce slightly and then garnish the chicken with the sauce. One of the best ways to use a piccata sauce is with monkfish, which is a very underused fish in the cooking world.